happy Sunday. I hope you all are having an amazing weekend. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. And do not forget that we have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on, you guys. That's right, 5,000. Thank you so much. If you are new, welcome. I do wish you would consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. We always have a great time with unboxings, reviews, hauls, live streams, giveaways, all kinds of great stuff here. So definitely think about joining our family. We'd love to have you. And as always, please leave your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. Tell me how your day is going. And as always, if you enjoy the video, please do give it a thumbs up. It does help me out. But as you can see, today we are going to be unboxing the August 2019 Boxy Momma. This box is amazing. I do first want to say thank you so much to Sarah. She's the owner of this company and she did send this to me free for review. I love this box so much. I have unboxed it before and it is always amazing. Awesome moms deserve awesome stuff. To one amazing mama. So, what is Boxy Momma, you ask? I'm gonna tell you. So this is the Boxy Momma box. There are two different options. She does have a mailer, so you have an option kind of depending on your budget. The box is $39.99 and it will include 5 to 7 items. She comes up with the cutest themes, and how she finds and curates the items to fit the theme blows my mind every time I unbox this. It is always the cutest stuff and just so perfect. I mean, perfect. But again, you receive 5 to 7 items. It is free shipping, and like I said, it's a new theme every month. It says it's a wide variety, a little bit of everything to help the daily chaos of being a mom. And now this, you guys, I absolutely love. $1 from every box or mailer is donated to postpartum charities. I think that is fantastic. I think that any box that gives back is amazing, but especially being a mom, obviously, this is something that, in my opinion, is so important. And I just absolutely love that $1 from every box or mailer that she sells, she donates to a postpartum charity. I think that is phenomenal. Now, as far as the mailer, that is $19.99 a month, and you will receive 2 to 4 items. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Boxy Momma, whether you choose the box or the mailer. Either way, I promise you will not be disappointed. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we got for August. Like I said, again, thank you so much, Sarah, for sending this to me again to review. I just love this box so much. So this is what we see when we open it right here. There's always a card on top that will tell you about the theme and everything. And I think that that's great. And it usually, there's also a card that will tell us what's in the box. So this is a little bit about Sarah. And I want to read this to you because she's amazing, seriously. So, hey mama, welcome to the fam. I'm Sarah. I'm the creator of Boxy Momma. I'm a stay-at-home mom to 3 boys. I don't know how she does it. I only have 1. I don't know how she does 3. And married to my 4th child, husband. I can relate to that. I've struggled through motherhood and dealt with postpartum depression and anxiety on top of the everyday struggles that come with being a mom. I've often felt unappreciated, burnt out, or just lost many times throughout my journey. I realized this needed to change, not just for myself, but for moms of the world. Hence why I created the Boxy Momma company. Right on, girl, right on. I wanted to find a way to remind moms that they are awesome, to bring some fun to mama life and remind moms there is more to life than just being a mom. Your self-care, your needs and wants, they matter. So here I am, working a way to create monthly reminders for mama to take care of herself and bring a little mom fun to motherhood. I truly hope you enjoy your Momma Box or Momma Mailer as I strive to bring you the best, funny, useful, and fabulous products I could find that every mama should have. You deserve it, mama. You make the world go round. Isn't she I'm telling you guys, she's so amazing. Not only does she give back, she creates these amazing boxes every month, and she just, the support that she sends, and you can feel the vibe, is amazing. I just love her. All right. Now, there is a loyalty program that she now has where you earn Momma medals to earn free stuff. So you get different medals for different things, and then you can build them up. Like 200 medals is $5 off your next order, 300 is $10, 500 is $15, and if you get 1,000 medals, that's a free Momma box. She has a referral program. If you refer 5 friends to Boxy Momma, you earn a free box. So that is awesome. And then, all right, so this I think is going to tell us about our theme for August, and it does have a clue to September, so we'll look at that in a second. So, hey Mama, how the heck is it August already, right? Time is flying. It always feels that way to me, especially this time of year. I'm too busy dealing with all the mama mess ups of life, which I'm sure, as you know, is very time consuming. Life is full of mama mess ups and messes. I think it's like 85% of motherhood. The mess ups are endless, but Boxy Momma is here to help you through them. Always remember, through any mess up, or mistake you may endure, you are not alone. We all go through them. We all have our days. We all make mistakes. Don't forget it, and never hold guilt over the past. Mom life is hard, so don't be hard on yourself. You deserve it, Mama. Enjoy your August. You beautiful thing. Love, Sarah. And again, that is all so true. All right, so what's next? For the days you gotta boot, scoot, and boogie, and feed the kids. September is cook it and book it. Like I said, she comes up with the cutest themes. All right, so then here we have the paper telling us about everything in the box. Now, I do want to say, and I believe that this actually ends very soon, like in the next couple of days. She actually is working, or has created, a Mama Strong t-shirt. So there's different colors, different shirt varieties. And if you could go, and if you want one, you can order one. You can find it from her Instagram, which is at the Boxy Momma Co, or Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. You can find that from one of those social media sites, the link to purchase one of those shirts, hoodies, or whatever. So let's get into August and see exactly what we got. So now that we've got all the paper out of here, this is everything, that we've got in here. All right, so let's see. Miss Mouth Messy Eater Stain Treater. No peroxide, no chlorine bleach, no phosphates, pH neutral. How could someone so small make such a big mess? And then how can stains just disappear? All right, so we have this. This looks like it might be like a spot treater or something. Stain remover, yes. For the literal messes of motherhood, try this awesome stain remover from the Emergency Stain Company. I'm obsessed with this stuff. It safely and instantly removes food stains, accidents, and even blood stains. Use it on clothes, carpets, or upholstery. It has no sulfates, phosphates, and is 100% biodegradable. I hope you like it as much as I do, and the retail value is $8.99. So that's awesome. So it's not just for clothes. You can use it on anything, and that's great. I have a son. I know most of you guys know this. Christopher, he is 9, but he still has his moments where he is just a boy, and sometimes stains. I'm like, what is this stain? How? So this will come in handy. All right, so we got that, and then we have got, and I have gotten some of these in other boxes, and these are amazing. We have got 2 of the Instant Fresh body wipes. This is with lavender and tea tree. from Busy Beauty. These things are amazing, you guys, especially since it's been summertime. Body wipes. For the mornings mom messed up, slept in, and now has got to go, but needs a shower. Grab an instant fresh body wipe from Busy Beauty. Just wipe your skin to feel instantly fresh and remove dirt, oil, and odor. It is safe for all areas and all skin types. And these have a retail value of $1.99 each. And they are amazing. So there's that guy. And then we have, oh, this is, this is a mom necklace. And you can see, is that upside down? Yeah. Let me hold it this way. No matter what mom mess you are dealing with, never forget you are mom enough. Isn't that beautiful? When you're having a bad day, remind yourself you were meant for this. You were meant to be a mom and you are mom enough. This cute handmade necklace is from Amy Catherine Charms, another awesome Momma Made shop. It's a retail value of $18. Oh, so you can wear it and know, again, you are enough. So that is awesome. All right, and then we have got, oh, I need this. I need this in my life so bad. Okay, password book. I'm constantly forgetting my passwords, and by the time I get a password memorized, it has to be changed again. I hope this password book helps you like it has helped me. No more having to reset passwords, just forget the new one. Oh, just to forget the new one. Keep track of everything in one place. These nifty password books are from TF Publishing and has a retail value of $5.99. And then when you open it, you can see it like website, username, password, notes, and other information, so you can keep track of everything. That is awesome. Yes. All right, and then we have got, oh, this is, okay. I'm excited about this. So this, let me get the tag off. Okay. First of all, it is adorable. It is like peacock feathers. This is an RFID case. Another mom mess you may not think about. Stay protected and avoid getting your card information stolen. Fun fact, the Boxy Momma account got hacked a couple months ago. I still have no idea how, but my credit union advised me it was most likely from a card scanner. Thankfully, I caught it quickly and the situation taken care of, but what a mess that can be. So I want to make sure you are protected with a cute RFID credit case from Giftcraft. It is a retail value of $11.99. So these are amazing. So literally you can keep your cards and stuff in here. And I just think that because it has, I don't know how it works. I don't even know what RFID stands for, to be completely honest. But I just know that it won't let anyone get your card information. So this is something so super useful, so cute. And also it's great if you're just going out and you don't want to have to take your purse. Grab your keys, your phone, and this, and go out the door. You're ready to go. All right, so then we have got, oh, I'm going to be using this. I may actually use this more for my husband than Christopher, to be honest. Just saying. Messy situation, tired of cleaning up everyone's mess? Save your voice and hand out a messy citation from Knock Knock Stuff. Can you see this? Ha! They are perfect to use for your family, especially those darn kids. I found them to be a great tool to use instead of hearing mom nag about the mess. Give them a try. I hope they help. And again, this is from knockknockstuff.com. It's a retail value of $6. So location of infraction. So you can check kitchen, dining room, living room, bedroom, bathroom, closet, man cave, vehicle, laundry room. Nature of infraction, clutter, dirty dishes, clothes, paper pile, school stuff, general squalor, you know what, toys, games, aggravating circumstances, toxic odor, mold or mildew, rotting matter, pet filth, or dirt and game. Please tidy up ASAP now, yesterday, or else. Severity of infraction, misdemeanor, or felony. That is so cute. And like I said, I will probably use this more for my husband than Christopher. But still, Christopher does have his moments. All right. And then we have a key finder. Oh, and this is so pretty. Oh, I love this. Right here. Isn't that gorgeous? One mom mess that I'm constantly guilty of is losing my keys, especially when we are in a time crunch. I'm always setting them down somewhere, just throwing them in my purse, leaving them in the fridge. True story. I thought it would help you avoid that situation with a key finder from the original Key Finder's key purse. It's super easy to use. 1, attach the clasp to your key ring or fob, and 2, rest the hook on your purse or diaper bag's edge with the keys inside your purse. So you connect right here this to your keychain, and then you can just set it inside your purse. So it kind of shows you right here. Super easy. And that will also save you. I am very guilty of, I have a lot of stuff in my purse. Now I don't have to dig for my keychain, for my keys. I can just, doop, and I know right where they are. And then, so that's everything, but there is a bonus item. It says, Clean Freak, clean phone wipes in fresh lemon scent, kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, including E. coli, streptococcus, and MRSA. 10-second exposure. Wipe devices thoroughly and regularly for best results. That's awesome because we touch our phones all the time. You know, we're all guilty of it, so don't act like you're not. One huge mess we don't even realize is our cell phones. They can get nasty and full of germs. Give these phone wipes a try from Clean Freak. So, and there are 30 of them in here. So it says 1 month. So wipe your phone down 1 day a month and each day. And mobile devices are 10 times dirtier than toilet seats. Gross. And I can believe it because you touch your phones with your hands and your hands touch everything else. So that was the August 2019 Boxy Momma box. What did you guys think? I think it is super useful, super fun. And again, I just love the concept that she does every month. It is always so unique, so fun, useful, but also reminds you that you're doing it. You're all right. You're a wonderful mom. You got it. And it's just amazing. So like I said, I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up for the Boxy Momma box or the mailer. And let me know your thoughts. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.